said you, Alan, Dylan, and Joe. Alright. So me, Nick.
Safety goggles right there, just in case. What team am I on, Dan? What team?
What?
What team?
You on this side. You're doing home camera.
Yeah. Now I'm going to run with the camera in one hand and shoot with the other.
Get down. No, I'm cameraman. You're right there.
Last 4 of the day. Should
Yeah.
be pretty good.
Good baby.
Mm-hmm. Last 4. CAT. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Nothing much to say.
Nothing much to say.
Nothing much at all.
Nothing much.
4 on 4. Looking pretty good. Gonna
3 on 4.
Oh,
actually.
3 on 4. Excuse me. And
Did you went home?
yeah. But
Not being prejudiced or anything. It's just
no.
one call.
Yeah, no.
He went
It
home
stands for
and
something
fixed cameraman.
cool. Yeah.
So,
This should go pretty good. Gonna go ahead and helmet cam it up. I really love the look of this gun. And there's everything that it comes with. These are pretty close, they're touching the 9.
that string saved my gun's life.
You guys ready? Yeah. Airsoft! 3, 2, 1, go! That might be cameraman.
Yeah, no. Cameraman's pointing at it.
Alright, Dylan's there. Dylan's at white. I kind of think they're all there. Because Bren's behind the bush and then the 2 behind the white.
I know, Rick. I'm not aiming for you. No blind fire.
Alright.
It's just me here.
Yep.
I won't leave you. I'll die by
Joe. He's like, you know what, it's not even worth it. Dan, you wanna go right and force him out, or do you wanna go to the right and force him out? Like over there, yeah, and then force him out to me? Or do you want me to go over there? I got my other mag out waiting. Oops. Green bush. Yep. Who's left? Who's left? Sorry, Bren. Dan, you want to come up here? Good game. I'm so sneaky.
Chinese New Year.
Hell yeah. Platypus goes, wah! My animal corner, it goes, dude, I'm sneaking up like a freaking frog.
What? Dude, we were yelling in the beginning, can we do over? Oh, damn. Yeah, someone freaking assaulted me in the neck.
Sorry.
We all just stood behind me.
Dude, I was being so sneaky. That worked perfect though, like you flushed him out to the other side. That was good.
Good scrambler, you idiot. That's how we found
I had the UAV on, so I mean.
Hey, can't even read it.
Oh, that's why I can't see my UAV.
It's practical means. Yeah. I didn't even think.
Yes, I'm there.
So are we done?